Okay, so I just received yesterday. I received my product. It's a bench vise. It came yesterday, so I unpacked it and wanna let you know what it looked like. So I wanna put my bench vise right here, bolt it on, and drill it and put it here. So uh, let's see how it looked like. So what I did is that I use a Sharpie, a permanent marker, mark each of these holes so that I can know where to drill them at. So what I want is that I want it to be near the corner because this is where you get all your support at. You don't want it to be right in here in the middle. But here, if you put it here, you can work on this side or this side. So you got two way of working around this. On this, you only have this side to work with.
I'll be using my Craftsman drill. I'll be using I forgot what size it is, but it's a big enough size to fit on my the hole for my bench.
Okay, here you can see I bolted in. This is how it looked like. You can turn on this side, turn on that side. I can even work right here. Open and close.